Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if a file cannot be opened and it pertains to your internet security settings. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and even though we're going to be performing it on a Windows 10 machine, it should work for other versions of Windows as well. So we're just going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to type in Internet Options. Should be listed right above Control Panel. You can also access this by going through the Control Panel window, but I just would prefer to go through the Start menu. I think it's a little bit quicker. So we're going to just select that. So in this new Internet Properties window, we're going to go over to the Security tab at the top, and then we're going to left click on the Custom Level button near the bottom. Now we're going to scroll down here until we get to Launching Applications and Unsafe Files. Should be about, let's say, Launching Applications and Unsafe Files. So we want to set it to prompt. Make sure it's set to prompt. So once you've made sure that your setting is on prompt here, click on OK. Now you want to left click on Local Intranet right here, and then left click on the Sites button right here. You want to disable all of these options here. So if anything's checked, you want to uncheck them, and then click on OK. So now that we're still underneath the local intranet area, you want to left click on Custom Level down here. Now again, we're going to be going down to the Launching Applications and Unsafe File area, same as we did for the Internet area. Right here, Launching Applications and Unsafe Files, set it to prompt, and then click on OK. And then you're going to be asked if you are sure you want to change the settings for this zone. Left click on Yes. Now we're going to do the same thing for Trusted Sites. Click on it, then go down and left click on Custom Level. Again, we're going to scroll down here until we get to Launching Applications and Unsafe File. Make sure that's set to prompt, which it is in this case. And then finally, Restricted Sites. Again, click on that and then go to Custom Level. Scroll down here until you get to Launching Applications and Unsafe File. If it's set to disable right here, you want to move it over to prompt, which is recommended. Click on OK. And then you'll be prompted, are you sure you want to change your settings again? Click on Yes. I know it sounds very redundant that we did it 4 times, but trust me, you need to do it for this. And once you're done doing this, you want to click on Apply and OK. And it should save your settings, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.